What's up guys, it's Claudio from Visualmodo WordPress themes, and in today's video we're gonna learn how to add meta description for SEO and SERP results into your WordPress website into a simple, fast, effective and free method. But before I can continue, please take a moment to hit the subscribe button, like this video and share this content with a friend of yours. After this, let's understand what is a meta description tag. Generally informs and interests users with a short, relevant summary of what particular page is about. So, for example, if I go to Google and type Visualmodo, I'm gonna see the Visualmodo website right here, and next to the website title, the link of the website, there is a little text, okay? So some words text that say, what is Visualmodo about? And it happens with all the pages. For example, Visualmodo YouTube, there is meta description and all of the contents right here. Okay, so everything has a meta description, and it's important that you can customize this to include the important keywords, to include what better describes your page, and don't let Google choose amount of content. Okay, so how to add meta descriptions into your WordPress pages or posts for free. First thing, go to your WordPress website, review left sidebar of menus, and hover mouse over plugins and click on add new plugin. On WordPress, we have no need to hire people to do things for us, we have no need to code, you can just install a plugin, most are free, and once meta description, it's a basic SEO feature, all of the SEO plugins can do this for free. So, into the upper right corner of our screen, next to search plugins, click into this empty field and type SEO, just like this. And we have a couple of plugins to play with. I have tested this 3-1, okay? So all-in-one SEO, Rank Math, and Yoast SEO. And all of these plugins has this feature. So you can choose yours. I'm gonna choose the Yoast SEO. Click on install now. Click into the activate. As soon as you activate the plugin gonna redirect you to the welcome page. When you need to do the first setup, the plugin gonna need to know more about your site, your business, your goals, okay, your desires. So complete the forms, better information as you can, okay. So every plugin gonna ask for you to understand more about your site. After this, go back to the WordPress dashboard and choose any page that you already have made. For example, in my case, let me choose the about page, okay. Wait a moment while the page loads. And here is the page content. Nothing much right here. But if you scroll down until the bottom, we're going to be able to find a new field called Yoast SEO with an option to apply focus keyword to this page. And right here we have SEO title, slug, and meta description. All I have to do is enter with the meta description text right here. Okay, so the plugin gonna count how many content you have written right here, and when it hits a good amount of characters, you're gonna be able to enter the meta keyword. This is how your post gonna looks like on Google. Quite bad, right? So try to enter an important and relevant text for your page, okay, that contains all the keywords. Here is one example. If you try to write more, you're gonna see this orange line. That means that you have written so much content. And if you try to write just a little amount of content, you're gonna see the orange line as well. That explains that you should write more, okay? So try to write a relevant content, and now if someone search your page, search for your page, or Google show your results into the search results page, they're gonna be able to see this text right here, okay? Simple, easy, and effective. Just remember to hit the save change or to update your page or to publish your page to save your change, okay? Also, you can check the results you got on desktop view for search results or on mobile view. I hope you guys enjoyed this video. Feel free to use the comment section below in the case that you have any question. And don't forget to check out our borderless WordPress plugin to gain widgets, elements, templates, and tools to build up your site using Elementor, WP Bakery, or Gutenberg block editor. And it's a totally free WordPress plugin. In addition, we have the best free WordPress theme that gives you pre-built websites. That is our Enzo WordPress theme. Also can be downloaded for free. In addition, in the case that you would like to submit your blog or to publish some content on some other blogs or to connect with a growing blogging community, to Trash, for marketing, for collaboration, go to growth with 3ws.net and review the platform. You can submit and find sites for free. Talking about free things, we have the sites.gallery website, a place where we can promote your site, your apps, your games, your landing pages, your stores, and all it's free as well. And finally, in the case that you want to go premium when doing your site, go to visualmodo.com, purchase the Visualmodo Pass, and unlock full access to our entire templates library, with hundreds of pre-built websites that you can import with a single click. In addition, for premium themes, plugins, options, icons, images, and many more content for you to create the site of our dreams and to use internet on your site's favor. And that is, I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and I see you tomorrow. All the best!